Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Customer Threatens Bank Staff, Ends Badly. Let's get into it.
April 1st, 2025, officers responded to a bank for a call of a woman writing threats on a sign and directing them towards bank staff.
Hey, somebody. Yep. Okay. Yep. Hey, what's going on, man?
They got my money and they ain't giving
Okay,
it to
you mind if we talk outside?
No.
Okay. 26, I'm with her. So what's going on?
They got my money and they ain't giving it to me.
Okay. You don't have any idea to...
No, but
Okay.
I just got out the feds 3 times. And the
I'm
feds
with her.
stopped me up here, and they
Okay.
never
So why are we
gave me my
handing,
money.
threatening notes to people?
Yeah, I
It's
want
a
her
very
to give me
serious
my
crime.
money.
It's a very serious crime, though.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
No,
Okay. You mind standing up for me?
I sure will.
Yeah, can you turn around for me? Put your hands behind your back. Drop the lighter. Okay, right now you're being detained, okay? You're not free to go.
Okay.
Until we investigate further. Can you drop the lighter?
Today.
Okay, let's go outside real quick. We can talk a little bit further. So you said they have your money.
They do.
Okay. But you, 26, I have 1 detained. But you are not willing to prove your identity?
I did prove mine.
Okay. They said you didn't. I'll meet Miranda as you real quick. Let's go walk to my car real quick. And we'll figure this out, okay? In mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
They got my money and I give it to me. They always give me a temporary card.
I can't hear you, man.
They got my money. And
Having
I
these
give it
rights
to
in mind,
me.
do you wish to talk to us?
They always give me a temporary card, and all of a sudden they don't want to give me.
Okay. So having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
I just spoke.
What was that?
I just spoke.
I'm trying to get you started story. Is actually talk to RP, see if we have any PC or anything. Speak to RP, see if we have any PC or anything. Okay. So, are you willing to talk to us now, ma'am? Can I have your name at least to start with? Ma'am, can I have your first name? Ma'am, I really want to hear your side of the story and get to the end, get to the bottom of this. I don't know what's going on, right? We have the RP saying that you're handing them notes, threatening them to hand over money or die. That's a very serious accusation or a very serious threat. Ma'am. Ma'am. Are you taking a nap in the back of my car? Hello?
She want to be unresponsive. Come on, man.
Yeah, just trespass, ma'am.
Y'all ain't letting me go. My bank account's there. I'm gatting. Don't give me my money. Let that be known.
Hey, I need to talk to like whoever the main person was who was calling about.
Did you already got her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she handed me that note eventually.
Okay.
She came trying to withdraw money. She
Okay.
said her purse was stolen.
Okay.
We tried to get some information from her. We couldn't find her. She kept saying I have 90,000. Then finally she said she got out of the jail today.
Okay.
And then we asked her to leave because we can't find any information about her. She said, I'm not leaving unless you call the cops to come escort me.
Okay.
I'm not going to leave. And she kept staying there for
She
hours.
was here for a while.
Okay.
For hours. Then finally she came here. She handed me this note.
Did you
She was
give her
like-
any money?
No.
Okay. Did you take this to be a serious threat?
She kept like doing the lighter in front of me. I don't know.
Okay.
She
The
doesn't look
answer
nice
is
to me,
yes.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Okay. All right. But at the very least, you told her to leave, and she didn't leave.
We asked her
Yeah.
multiple
Okay.
times to leave.
you don't have an account here.
Okay. Are one of you guys willing to provide like a statement, just saying that like, hey, whoever it is, like whoever the manager is right now or something, that we asked her to leave and that she didn't leave, and
Yeah, I can do that.
and are you willing to like assist in prosecuting her for trespassing at the very least?
She
Okay.
talked to her personally. The manager talked to her
She talked to
personally.
me first.
Okay.
Yeah, so she said that she lost her wallet, or Her
Okay.
purse got stolen.
Okay.
Is it okay? But she went to my banker first, asking to get a debit card.
46. We have PC for trespassing.
Yeah, asking to get a debit card, but because she didn't have an idea, so we can't get your debit card, but you need some cash. We can get you minimal cash to get, you know, wherever you need to go.
Okay.
So then I took over,
Okay.
came over, and I said, well, okay, can you write your social security number for me so I can pull you up? I pulled her up, there's like no open active accounts with
Okay.
her. And I go, well, it doesn't look like you have any accounts.
Okay.
And then she's like, where's my money? And
Okay.
I go, well,
When did this happen? Like, how long ago was this?
when we first called,
Okay.
that was what.
Okay. Because this just wasn't mentioned at all in like the initial call
No,
that we
this
got.
happened
This-
just like 13
Yeah.
minutes ago.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that one
okay.
was with her.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna look into this a little bit. When nothing actually happens, like when she didn't get any money or anything, like I'm not sure if this is gonna be enough for us to like change this to any other crime. To be honest, at the very least, we have the trespassing.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, I just need her not to come back.
Okay, yeah, and regardless, she's not gonna be coming back, right? Because we'll be sure to give her a trespass notice on top of the fact that she's being arrested for trespassing. Okay. But let me look into this a little bit, and I'll come back with just some paperwork that we can do for that statement and everything like that. Okay. All right. Cool. Thanks, guys.
All right, bye. All right, ma'am. So here's the deal. You can either tell me your name and you walk out here with a citation, or we go through the process of getting a fingerprint scanner down here and you go to jail. What are we wanting to do?
She don't care about going to jail. You think she care about going to jail? She just say she just got out. She probably doing crimes like this because she feels better in jail. A lot of times people can't adapt to the outside world. Listen, I was a CO for 7.5 years. You see frequent flyers all the time. Okay. So a lot of times people that are in prison, they are accustomed to doing things a certain way. They're accustomed to people telling them when to wake up, when to shower, when to go for your visit, when to eat, like, you know what I'm saying? Everything, they're being told what to do, kind of like a child with their mama. You know what I'm saying? So it's really like, it's when you come back to the outside world, you don't have that type of structure. And a lot of times people do need that structure in their life. So they commit petty crimes, especially you see it in the wintertime when it's starting to get cold and stuff like that. People that really ain't got no place to go, they struggling, they'll do petty crimes so that way they could go back into jail for that year or 6 months or whatever, because they got 3 hots in a cot. They know they're gonna be fed. So they don't gotta worry about food. They don't gotta worry about, a place to lay their head. They got a bed, So a lot of times you do see frequent flyers. And that I don't know about this lady, but that could be the case. She ain't got nothing going for herself. She just got out. She ain't got no money. She trying to get some money, and she probably just on the street. So it doesn't surprise me that she's committing this type of stuff to maybe go back inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you search her?
I frisked her. Yeah, I'll search her.
PC for trespassing.
Yeah.
Let me look on the.
Ma'am, go ahead and step out the vehicle for me. So at this point, you are under arrest for trespassing in the 2nd degree. Go ahead and step out the vehicle for me. Come on. Ma'am. We don't have to make this very complicated. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Watch your step. Come on. Come on, man. What are we reaching behind there for? Okay. Yep, I think she wants to go to jail today, so if you're able to make it up here, that'd be great. Yeah, we're just gonna tag her with obstruction as well. Alright, bye.
The woman was charged with obstruction and trespassed from the establishment.
Told you. It doesn't surprise me that she does want to go back into jail. It does not surprise me at all. This is what our tax-paying dollars pay for people to, 3 hots in a cot. So it does not surprise me. Yeah, I think the officer did the best job that he could. Yeah, and he didn't go over the top, so I give him a 3 out of 5. They're pretty average, nothing crazy. This footage isn't that exciting, or whatever the case may be. But people that are struggling out on the street, it does not surprise me that they want to go back inside of the jail or prison or whatever you want to call it. All right. So, anyways, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.